Y'all are crazy. Oh my god! Oh my gosh!
I got burnt.
Oh my gosh!
Well, I had them. I didn't realize it was going to go up at that fast.
Jeez Louise!
I got burnt good, actually.
Are you okay? Oh my goodness. You should go put your hand in something cold.
Yeah, I'm going to need some.
Let's see in the light. Oh,
Feel it.
where?
The
Oh
crustiness.
man.
Yeah.
Here, let's see it in the light. I filmed that.
Oh.
Yeah, let me see your hand. Can you see it burn?
Yeah, it's crispy. I mean, it'll probably blister up in a minute.
Oh my gosh.
That one's burnt.
Nick, did you get hurt?
That one's not burnt. You would have thought the pointer finger that was all up in the middle of it. I didn't realize it.
Look at what it made on the ground.
Oh my goodness.
I didn't realize it was. That's how those sparkler bombs. You get the more you got, because the sparkler bomb goes off. If you've ever done one of those, it's